This Bike Talk Special Edition. So they closed off all these roads and it's just open to bicyclists. Oh, there's a little chipmunk. Hey guys, so I think for this bike talk, I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the scenery. So if you don't want to watch, that's okay, but this is Crater Lake, Oregon, around the rim ride. Enjoy. I must say, this bike ride is driving me insane. But insane, I mean in the best way. Makes me feel insanely good. Lost my mic. SMH. Quit watching me! I got a magic trick. I shall let this rest in peace as I enjoy the rest of my bike ride by myself. Peace, guys.